Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying your exact iPhone model because only specific hardware has community ports. Once done, make a full encrypted backup and free up 4+ GB. Connect to a Mac OS or Windows PC with the latest iTunes. You'll use it for device recovery if needed. Then download the community Android port image and the companion loader tool. Make sure developer mode is enabled, and USB debugging equivalent is allowed. You'll now put the iPhone into DFU or the specific recovery state the loader requires. Timing matters, so follow on-screen cues. Once the PC recognizes the device, run the loader to flash the custom bootloader first, then the kernel image tailored for that model, and finally the Android system image. Expect multiple reboots. Watch the loader logs. If a step fails, the encrypted backup lets you restore iOS. Take your time and do one flash at a time. You finish by booting into the new Android environment and walking through setup, then install compatible Google apps if the port supports them. Once running, verify core hardware. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, audio, and camera. Some drivers may be incomplete. If the system won't boot or hardware is non-functional, restore iOS via iTunes using your encrypted backup or rerun the flashing steps while saving loader logs for the community. One key tip: preserve logs. They guide fixes and avoid permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.